How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to episode 36 of Free Thoughts from Freedom Chiropractic and Rehab. Thanks for joining us. This week's quote of the week comes from Zig Ziglar. He said, "There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs." We all know that there's no quick path to achieving the goal. We know that we're going to have to do the work. We're going to have to climb the stairs one step at a time. But that climb, that work, the grind, if you will, is what makes achieving the goal worthwhile. It's what makes achieving that goal seem special, allows us to enjoy the view once we've reached the top. So instead of looking for the elevator, instead of looking for the quick, easy path, look for the stairs. Okay, let's talk about health. This week we're going to discuss a newsletter that I received earlier this week. This newsletter came from Michael Easter. Now, he is one of my favorite authors. He's written Comfort Crisis and Scarcity Brain, two of the books that I've recommended in these newsletters and in these videos over the last 5 to 10 years. Great reads, and I recommend both of them. This newsletter, he focused on 6 fitness longevity tests. Now, these tests are meant to just establish a baseline requirement, but these should give us an idea as to what kind of health span we can expect in the long term. And they're tests that we can do on our own at home. We don't need to be doing these in a clinical environment or anything along those lines. The first test is to see how quickly you can take 4 flights of stairs. That's 60 steps, roughly. How fast can you do 4 flights of stairs? You're going to time yourself. So you'll set a stopwatch, climb the 4 flights of stairs, and then check your time. If your time happens to be over a minute and a half, he recommends talking to your primary care and then looking to increase movement throughout your day wherever you can. Anything from 45 seconds to a minute seems to be a pretty safe range, but the target should be less than 45 seconds to tackle those 60 steps or 4 flights of stairs. So what I want you to do is the next time you're facing these flights of stairs and you have the opportunity to go up 4 flights of stairs, take out your stopwatch or your phone, set a clock, and see how fast you can do it. Use those metrics. If you're under 45 seconds, that's great. Keep doing what you're doing. If it's 45 seconds to a minute, maybe we want to increase the pace of our activity in some other facets. Over a minute and a half, let's schedule an appointment to talk to our primary care about it. But if you're in that ballpark, that safe zone that we want to be, under a minute or less, and specifically under 45 seconds or less, keep doing what you're doing, but that doesn't mean you don't want to test yourself again the next time you see 4 flights of stairs. If you have the opportunity to tackle this test, test yourself. See how you do. Now it's time for some good news. This week I want to tell you the story of Kent Broussard. He is the 66-year-old member of the Golden Band from Tigerland, the LSU marching band. See, this dream started as a young boy. He was 9 years old when he went to his first LSU game and fell in love with the pageantry and the music of the marching band. For 57 years, he dreamed about being a part of that band. He never let go of the dream, despite his career as an accountant, despite his wife and kids and all of the responsibilities that come along with it. He still pursued that dream. It just goes to show, if you really want something, and you put in the work, and you climb the stairs, you can get there too. It may take a while, but eventually you can reach those dreams as well. So don't let go of those dreams. Continue to fight for them.